The Nokia One is a low-cost smartphone from Nokia, bringing developing nations and those with a small budget a smartphone experience without compromising too much on performance or features. Now, it runs Android One Go Edition. That's a more lightweight version of the Android operating system to run on phones with lesser power. This phone has a MediaTek chipset and 1 gig of RAM, so it's not as powerful as a lot of phones out there at the moment. But the Go Edition also brings Go Edition apps. So Maps, Google Assistant, the Google app and more are a lighter touch, which means they still run on the One. It's not overly quick, but they do work, and that's key for this sort of phone. It also has 4G connectivity. It has 8 gig of internal storage, although because of the Go edition of the Android system, over 5 gig of that is available to you, the user, so that's really good. The screen is an IPS display, so it's bright and colourful, even though it's not HD. And in terms of price, well, you're looking at just $85 US for this phone, so it is a low-cost budget smartphone, which will help maybe some people make the leap from a feature phone, or it's a great first smartphone for anyone. The plastic body is lightweight, easy to hold in the hand. The back is removable and changeable. Nokia will be offering a variety of different coloured and designed patterned cases for it, so you can change the look and feel. There's a 5 megapixel camera on the back, there's a 2 megapixel camera on the front, and there's a micro USB charging port and a headphone jack. Now, for all the latest on this and all the other Nokia launches, their specs, our feelings on the phones, you can check out our full hands-on reviews on techradar.com.